Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to transform your weight loss experience. We're going to uncover 7 surprising secrets that can help you accelerate your path to a healthier, slimmer you. These secrets may not be the typical advice you've heard, but they're backed by science and proven to boost your weight loss efforts. So, get ready to be surprised, and let's dive into these transformative tips that can revolutionize your weight loss journey. Secret 1. Prioritize protein. Protein is the cornerstone of your body, the building block that supports your weight management efforts. It plays a crucial role in keeping you satiated longer, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Additionally, protein boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn more calories even at rest. Aim to consume at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. This means incorporating protein-rich foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy products into your meals and snacks. Secret 2. Embrace strength training. While cardio often takes center stage in weight loss conversations, strength training is equally important. Strength training helps you build muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism and increases your calorie burn even at rest. Aim to incorporate strength training exercises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times per week. Focus on compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, such as squats, lunges, and push-ups. Secret 3. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is not just a luxury, it's a fundamental requirement for optimal health and weight management. When you're sleep deprived, your body disrupts the hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism, making it harder to lose weight. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your body functions efficiently for weight loss. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and avoid stimulating activities like screen time before bed to promote restful sleep. Secret 4. Effectively manage stress. Stress can be a significant roadblock on your weight loss journey. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. Managing stress can help reduce cortisol levels, making it easier to lose weight. Incorporate stress-relieving activities into your daily routine, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. These practices can help calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of relaxation. Secret 5. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is a powerful tool for weight loss. It involves paying attention to your hunger cues, eating slowly, and savoring your food. This practice can help you avoid overeating and make healthier food choices. When eating, eliminate distractions like television or your phone. Focus on the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. Take small bites, chew thoroughly, and pause between bites to allow your body time to register satiety signals. Secret 6. Increase fiber intake. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that plays a vital role in weight management. It helps you feel full longer, promotes digestive health, and slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, regulating blood sugar levels. Aim to consume at least 25 to 35 grams of fiber daily. Include fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes in your diet. Secret 7. Cultivate patience and self-compassion. Weight loss is a journey, not a race. It requires patience, dedication, and self-compassion. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Instead, focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes and celebrate your achievements along the way. Practice self-compassion and avoid harsh self-criticism. Instead, treat yourself with kindness and understanding, and view weight loss as a journey of self-improvement and personal growth. And there you have it, 7 surprising secrets to accelerate your weight loss journey. I hope you found these tips helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or want to share your own secrets to success, leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more content on health, fitness, and well-being. Until next time, stay healthy and stay motivated.